do the beginning.
These girls are trained experts. Use these safety tips while stuck in the wild.
If you're lonely in the wilderness and you didn't bring any friends, you can call your animal friends. So this is a call I learned from a Navajo Indian chief, and it works 52% of the time. So here we go. And there's a 48%. So I'm just gonna climb this tree over here. And if you're scared of heights, then you can always use the stick method. And if you don't have sticks, you're screwed. When you're stranded in the wilderness, it is very important that you have the right materials. So you need a fire and wood for a fire. Plastic knives are very helpful. I will demonstrate.
It's been 3 whole freaking hours. My blood sugar is low, and I want my donut!
Let's get back to that later. Woo! Even more importantly is the right shelter. And for shelter, you need materials to make it. Now, materials, tent, found it. Okay, this is sort of complicated. You just go like this, and then you just wrap it around you and squat.
If you're ever lost in the wilderness, it always helps to stay calm and stay in place. Look at this tree. Isn't it neat? Wouldn't you think the wilderness is complete? Looking around here you think, sure, it's kind of scary. I got grass and rocks aplenty. I got bugs and bushes galore. You want complaints? I got 20. But who cares? No big deal. I am lost. I want to be where the people are. Part of that world. Oh, crap. Remember to stay where you are.
Okay, so when you're lost in the wilderness, there's a 48% chance that your food will get eaten by a bear, or in my case, a mountain lion. And so, just remember not to eat the red berries over there because they're very, very toxic. They will kill you. So, these ones right here are good to eat. They're not poisonous. These ones are poisonous. So we're just gonna go ahead and eat the ones that are not. So good.
Fellas and lady fellas and plants, we are gathered here today to celebrate the life
And mourn the death
of our beloved
Brooke Slade. Feels like I hadn't had the broom.
Stop the camera! Stop!
This concludes our episode of Nature Survival. Also, tune into your local YouTube to watch Rejection Hotline and Nature Yoga video. Thank you.
It was you at the broom!
Do not attempt any of our dangerous stunts at home.